Virtual corporate counsel versus traditional law firms, which one is better for international business support? Most international businesses get this wrong. They assume traditional law firms alone can efficiently handle global operations. The surprising truth is that virtual corporate counsel offers flexibility, scalability, and cost-effectiveness that traditional models often can't match. Virtual corporate counsel provides on-demand legal support remotely, handling everything from contract drafting and compliance to cross-border corporate governance. For example, a fast-growing tech company expanding into multiple countries can rely on virtual counsel to review international contracts, advise on local regulatory requirements, and ensure corporate compliance, all without retaining multiple local firms. These teams use digital platforms to centralize communication, track tasks, and provide real-time updates. Traditional law firms provide deep expertise and local presence. They handle complex transactions, litigation, and strategic advice in the jurisdictions they operate. For instance, a multinational merger may require a law firm's courtroom experience, negotiation skills, and established local contacts. However, retaining multiple firms across countries can be expensive, slow, and difficult to coordinate. The key difference is flexibility versus local depth. Virtual corporate counsel excels at providing consistent, scalable support for ongoing international operations, while traditional firms are best for high-stakes or jurisdiction-specific matters. Most international companies benefit from a hybrid approach. Virtual counsel manages day-to-day legal needs, while traditional law firms are engaged for critical transactions or regulatory challenges. The takeaway is simple: relying solely on traditional law firms can increase costs and slow operations. The surprising truth is that businesses integrating virtual corporate counsel achieve faster response times, lower overhead, and seamless global support. For any international company seeking efficiency, combining virtual corporate counsel with traditional law firms ensures comprehensive coverage, operational agility, and local expertise, all while optimizing costs and supporting global growth.